Good morning, dear students. Today also we will study second lesson APJ Abdul Kalam, the nuclear scientist, the former president of our country, and also the missile man of our country, missile man of India. The first two paragraph we already studied it yesterday. Today we will start from third paragraph. In yesterday's class, we had studied some questions also and other important points related to APJ Abdul Kalam's early childhood period. The first is what is a full form of APJ? Do you remember it? APJ full form. Abul Pakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam, full form completed. Then, which are the two virtues found in APJ Abdul Kalam? The one is hard work and other is determination, completed. Then, why did his family made its living? That answer also we studied. Family made its livings by ferrying pilgrims between Dhanishkodi to Rameshwaram. Next paragraph, listen. Abdul Kalam had to face a lot of difficulties in pursuing his studies. In order to help the family through the crisis, Kalam collected tamarind seeds and sold them to a shop. For this, he was paid a lordly sum of about 6 paise 1 anna. He also collected a popular newspaper in Tamil Dinamani at the Rameshwaram railway station and helped his cousin Samudin in selling it. For this service, Kalam was paid a little money. Though his earning was very little, he was happy that he was able to care for his family. This is the first third and fourth paragraph. Then there was a devastating cyclone destroyed the boat of APJ Abdul Kalam's father. Then that negatively affects the income of the family. So Abdul Kalam decided to earn some money to continue his studies. Abdul Kalam had to face a lot of difficulties in pursuing his studies. To continue his study, he faced a lot of difficulties in problems in his life. But he overcome all these problems. He faced a lot of negative situation, crisis in his life to continue his studies. In order to help the family through the crisis means a difficult situation. Abdul Kalam wanted to help his family during the crisis time. How? Kalam collected tamarind seeds and told them to a shop. He collected tamarind seeds. Immediately, he collected tamarind seeds and sold it in a shop. In that way, he earned some money. Kalam collected tamarind seeds and sold them to a shop. For this, he was paid a load sum of about 6 paise 1 anna. Anna means name of the paise. 6 paise 1 anna. Very little amount of money he got by doing this work. He collected the tamarind seeds and sold in a shop. That is the first point. Then how did Kalam helped his family during the crisis time? That is question. The answer is the first point. The first part of the answer is he collected the tamarind seeds and sold it in a shop. Okay, he means APJ Abdul Kalam. He collected tamarind seeds and that means that tamarind seeds sold in a shop. That's the first point of the answer. Then second point, he also collected popular newspaper in Tamil Dinamani. He worked as a newspaper agent. He collected the newspaper, popular newspaper. The name of the newspaper is Dinamani, the Tamil name. At the Rameshwaram railway station and helped his cousin Samudi in selling it. Actually, Samudi, his cousin Samudin is a newspaper agent. Abdul Kalam helped Samudi to sell to collect and sell to collect and distribute the newspapers, Dinamani. He collected popular newspaper Dinamani at the Rameshwaram railway station and helped his cousin Samudin to distribute it. For this service, Kalam was paid a little money. Then again, he got a little money. Though his earning was very little, his earnings, his income, that was very little. But he was happy that he was able to care for his family. In that way, Abdul Kalam helped his family. At that time, he was a student. He was studying in a school. As a student, just a side, he did these two works and he got a little amount of money. In that way, Kalam helped his family during the crisis time. We can check one question. Question number 3. What did Abdul Kalam do for the support of his family? What did Abdul Kalam do for the support of his family? Here, two activities, two work of Abdul Kalam gave a great support to his family. Can you say the answer? Only 2 points. Number 1. We can say number wise. Number 1. Abdul Kalam, very simple. Abdul Kalam collected tamarind seeds and sold it in a shop. That is the first point. Then second point. What is the second point? Abdul Kalam or he collected the popular newspaper Dinamani at Rameshwaram railway station and helped his cousin Samudin to distributing it. These are the 2 points. This is answer for the third question. Once again, I will say the answer. Abdul Kalam collected tamarind seeds and sold it in a shop. The number 2, Abdul Kalam collected popular newspaper Dinamani at Rameshwaram railway station and helped his cousin Samudin for distributing it. Okay. We studied now 3 answers. Then we can go to the next paragraph. At school, he was eager to learn about everything. English, mathematics, science and Tamil were his favorite subjects. He was written many poems in Tamil as well as in English. Here look at some important qualities of Abdul Kalam as a student. Very inspirational qualities. First is he was eager to learn everything. Eager means deep interest, more interested to study, to learning everything. Not only in his subject. Now you are studying only six subjects: English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Maths, Science and Social Science. But Abdul Kalam studied other subjects also, everything. He keep an eager interest, very deep interest to study anything. It is a very good, best quality of a student. At school, he was eager to learn about everything. English, then which are the favorite subjects of Abdul Kalam? English, mathematics, science and Tamil. These are the favorite subjects of total 4 subjects. English, mathematics, science and Tamil. These are the important favorite subject of Abdul Kalam. Then he has written many poems in Tamil as well as in English. That is also another important quality or speciality of APJ Abdul Kalam. The poem writing and poem writing in both in Tamil and in English. It's a good quality, good student. He used to spend his time on the beach. Whenever he saw a bird flying, he also wished to fly like it. He used to spend his time on the beach. In Chennai, And Rameshwaram, there is a beach. Beach means an area inside of the sea. There is a Bay of Bengal. In Chennai also, Madras, old name is Madras. There is a very big beach. The name of the beach is Marina Beach. It's a very spacious area. In Rameshwaram also, there is a small beach. The evening time, free time, Abdul Kalam spending his leisure time, evening time, sometimes in beach. At that time, the number of birds were flying in the sky. He saw number of birds. Whenever he saw a bird flying, he also wished to fly like it. In beach, we can see number of birds. The birds were flying in the sky. Abdul Kalam watched and listened, and he also wanted to become a bird. For what? We can also fly through the sky. So this wishes, this ambition is helpful to make the missiles for our country. As a childhood life, as a student time, Abdul Kalam wanted to become a bird to fly. And this concept and this dream changed into reality in his future, and he became the missile man of our country. Is it clear? So this is the point in this one. He used to spend his time on the beach. Whenever he saw a bird flying, he also wished to fly like it. Next, this passion for flying inspired Abdul Kalam to design SLV-3 satellite launch vehicle. And this passion means a deep interest to become a bird. This passion for flying, his dream was to fly. This passion for flying inspired Abdul Kalam, motivated Abdul Kalam to make or design the SLV satellite launch vehicle, number 3, that category. So then he studied till 10:30 daily. He studied at 10:30. There was no electricity in his house, so he had to study by the dim light of a kerosene lamp. At that time, there was no light in his home. He used a kerosene lamp for studying. Up to when? Around 10:30 time, he studied. And he faced a lot of problems to continue his study. Then if you study the life history of Abraham Lincoln was the President of America. As a student period, there is no light in Abraham Lincoln's home. And just side of his house, in front side of his home, there was an electric light. And night time, he used to sit under the electric light, street light, roadside street light, and he covered and he studied his lessons very well. Abraham Lincoln. And like that, there is no light in Abdul Kalam's home. He used a kerosene lamp to study. It's a very difficult work. After by using a kerosene lamp, this is very difficult. So heat problem. Okay. Here now we wind up this class today. You should read the lesson very well. The reading that will increase vocabulary and English fluency, English language, good thing. And after this lesson, I will give some home assignment, homework for you. Then if you do that homework, you should read the lessons, all these lessons or paragraphs very well. So every student is requested to read the 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 times this passage, and they study the question answers very well, and you think about the great minds and their work and their creativity, their thinking, and it is also helpful to our life to become to achieve the greatest success in our life. And that is why the MB body included this type of inspirational lessons in your course, and it is a motivational lesson, and understanding his life, and this curiosity will lead to you to read the other great patients' biographies also. All these great patients' biography would motivate or develop you. So everybody maximum use the time in your home for studies. Don't waste your time. Today will not come again. This day will not come back again. Today is precious day, and do the maximum of it in your home. Thanks to all. Bye.